In the universe, a fact is real. That truth is that we are all one. This concept transcends the boundaries of philosophy, spirituality, and science, offering a vision that invites reflection and exploration of your deepest connections. From ancient teachings of sages to contemporary scientific theories, the idea of cosmic unity suggests that all of existence is intrinsically interconnected. In this perspective, each particle, each being, each corner of the cosmos shares a bond that goes beyond the obvious. Although it may be difficult for you to understand it, you will soon understand. There are many spiritual philosophies in which this concept has already been included for centuries, highlighting the complementary duality and unity in all things. They understand that there is a universal connection that transcends individual appearances, that has nothing to do with what religions or writings have made us believe. True spirituality frees souls from religious dogma, thus bringing them closer to God. Many spiritual teachers help in their daily work on self-knowledge, because therein lies all the truth that they have hidden from you for centuries. Recognizing unity leads you to live from a place of compassion, understanding, and unconditional love, which Jesus the Christ prophesied and bequeathed to us the greatest of teachings. My beloved, there are concepts that those who remain asleep will never be able to understand, for the sole reason that they are not yet ready. Everything in the universe needs a time to ripen, just like any fruit. The awakening of consciousness also requires time, and not everyone walks through the same degree of maturity or at the same pace. You will find around you highly evolved people and others who still walk with the veil of ignorance in their consciousness, leading a purely physical or earthly life, without even considering anything in their life, because they are only driven by a consciousness that has not yet even is capable of understanding the slightest thing regarding its true essence. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean where each soul is a drop of water. Although each drop has its unique shape and occupies a place, they all share the same essence. They mix, intertwine, and, finally, return to the common ocean of which they are a part. Perhaps water understands that it is water and that the ocean is the place to which you must return, just like the rivers that, knowing that it is water, always look for a path on the path to flow into the ocean. It knows that it fulfills a purpose during its journey and that its final destination is the sea, because it is water. How can a river or a drop of water know its essence, and many souls do not? Perhaps that knowledge was not interesting for you to have, my beloved. If you know your true essence, you would be unstoppable, you would no longer be asleep, and, therefore, you would understand that you are one with the Creator, with all humanity and with all the kingdoms of life, with all that encompasses. Recognizing unity with the whole can lead you to cultivate a deeper sense of empathy, respect, and responsibility towards everything and everyone else, and the planet you inhabit. It can also open the door to a greater understanding of your own actions and their impact on the interconnected fabric of all existence, my beloved. Understand that even if the truth is revealed before your eyes, not everyone will be able to see, because you already know that this is part of awakening, and not everyone awakens in the same way and at the same moment. There is a collective awakening and there is an individual awakening. Neither of them alters the free will of consciousness or of the person, but finally the truth of each soul manifests itself just as the waters return to the ocean. The consciousness of each individual desires to return to infinite consciousness, to the creative source, to God, my beloved. And in this process of search and knowledge, you will find stones on the paths, difficult situations to overcome, just as rivers find rocks during their journey. But due to the combined force exerted by all the water droplets, they end up knocking down or jumping over the obstacle. Because nothing will stop him from giving up his goal of reaching the sea and merging with the ocean. Now, my beloved, you must understand that the exploration of cosmic unity is a personal and collective journey. It invites you to look beyond superficial appearances and recognize the shared essence that unites you to all of creation. By embracing this perspective, you may discover an invisible thread that connects the seemingly separate threads of your lives, thus understanding what your true essence is and why you are here. Like the waters, you must move forward on your path of learning, of knowledge, of realizing your true being. The dance of energies. Remember that every thought, emotion, and action sends ripples through this vast ocean of oneness that is everything. The vibration of your existence resonates and intertwines with that of others, creating a vibration field to which more consciousnesses that vibrate at the same frequency will join. That is why in life new people appear on your path, others distance themselves, they simply disappear. Your vibration attracts or repels consciousnesses that vibrate and that do not vibrate at the same frequency, my beloved. Do not think that you are merely an individual being, because you are not. You possess a consciousness that encompasses the entire universe as a whole. Recognizing unity with the whole leads you to consciously practice empathy, understanding pain and suffering. It leads you to understand all the emotions that others may feel, because you have already experienced them and, therefore, you recognize them. Empathy then becomes a powerful tool for mutual understanding and building bridges between different life experiences. Your actions, therefore, your words and your thoughts, have a significant impact within the universe. From your everyday actions to global decisions, every choice has an impact on the delicate balance of the shared universe you inhabit, my beloved. Despite this unity, the human being is so perfect that each being has its own history, its own path, and its own unique contribution to the universe. Unity does not nullify your uniqueness. Rather, it invites you to explore how your differences make you unique and enrich the shared experience. In moments of stillness and meditation, you will be able to understand many things that are contained within you. You will hear the voice of the infinite consciousness of which you are a part. You will continue to ask yourself questions, because you are continually evolving, but your questions will be answered because these questions are the ones that need the most definitive answers. They are flashes of light that illuminate your journey towards a deeper understanding of yourself, of the universe, of everything. Self-knowledge is the understanding of what you are, where you come from, why you are powerful. Having knowledge leads you to know reality beyond the limitations that you perceive as a human being, reality, and immerse yourself in the understanding that we are all one in this vast and interconnected universe. No one can give you more than you yourself are, my beloved. Nothing can make you happier than what you truly are and what you hold inside of you. As you journey through life and this vast world, you are likely to encounter events that are difficult for you to understand in the present moment. However, the day will come when you will understand. One of the fundamental reasons for your existence on this planet is to heal the wounds of the past and be a guiding light for those who will follow your path. This mission requires you to shed your ego and manifest your authentic self in every action. Illuminating the path involves dispelling the darkness, and this task is a shared responsibility among all human beings, my beloved. Recognizing each individual as unique but connected by a common essence is essential to carry out this joint task. You have to learn not to see with the eyes of the ego, since it constantly seeks to find defects in others, cling to reason at all costs and rely on pride and fear from where it exercises its dominance. Although understanding this can be challenging, once you can distinguish between acting from the self or the ego, it becomes clear. Guide your gaze towards the future. Trust in the energy that can lift you to higher levels, an angelic energy that inspires you daily to give your best. Do not allow pride, fear, or negative thoughts to prevent you from accepting this divine guidance. Remember to express words of love to your loved ones daily, words that come from the depths of your soul. Avoid saving what you feel for another time, as you can never be sure if there will be another opportunity. Silencing those feelings will only result in buildup inside you, which serves no purpose, and one day you will realize that you should have expressed love when you felt love, forgiven when it was necessary, and embraced when fear tried to stop you. True transformation, the ability to illuminate the world and leave a trail of love in your wake, will only be possible if you decide to change and evolve day by day, step by step. With deep gratitude and love, we come to the end of this chapter on our channel. It's been an incredible journey filled with learnings, discoveries, and meaningful connections. Throughout this time together, we've explored ideas, shared knowledge, and built an amazing community. Although this chapter is coming to a close, the bonds we've created and the reflections we've shared will endure. I want to thank each and every one of you for being part of this experience, for your comments, your messages, and for being a constant source of inspiration. Remember, knowledge is a continuous journey, and even as this channel bids farewell, I hope the concepts, discussions, and reflections we've shared here continue to resonate in your lives and remain a source of growth. Let's keep exploring, learning, and growing together, whether it's on this channel or on other paths in life. Until we meet again, dear community, may curiosity and the pursuit of wisdom always guide you.